Welcome to Pocket Woman Lockpicking and Locksport. Today something a little bit different. I've gone and brought myself some New Year's prezzies, but I didn't just go anywhere and buy them. I went to Dark Arts Lockpicking, Dalp. Dalp's got a website, Dalp, DALP.com.au. So I'm just going to take you through the little website. Pretty easy to navigate. You got your front page, it gives you his blurb. So me, I just jump straight to the store to see what goodies are inside. So you got your followers, master keys, some fun things, bump keys. Now this isn't the first purchase I've made from Dalp. I bought some things from him a while back. So this time I brought the disc detainer tray, not in black. I asked for it in purple. So on page 2, let's show you what's on page 2. There's the Fosco trolley key, brought that in the past. Keep that with me at all times, never know when you need a trolley key. It saves gabbing around for $2 or $1. Got your bump keys, your impression key. Page 3. So that's what I got. A little multi-tool cover, and it covers your key. We've also got pinning tray case. It's a box, but I got it in purple. So it's got a pinning tray on the top. Slide it open. It's got places for your followers and your tools. So how cool is that? Dalp's doing those now. Used to only be able to get this stuff from America, or if you had your own 3D printer, which not many of us did. And on the last page, you've got the new runes necklaces, but the cross keys, I brought them off him in the past. So let's check out the goodies. Let's get into the packaging. Oh yes, look at this. Oh, beautiful. Okay, well, you can't see any of this. Let me go down. Just pulled it out. This has got a nice little Dalp, thank you. Very cool. Okay. Oh, very nice. Look at that. That's the disc detainer tray. Because I'm getting into making alloy picks. So anyway, I know how to make them is to re-engineer them. So pull a lock apart and make a bit to fit that lock. So I needed a tray because I've got just stuff in bits everywhere. And that's just very nice. That's nicely made. Nice and flat. Look at that. Very nice, thanks Dalp. And the pinning box. Look at this. Let's see if it's got proper spacing to be able to get the thing out. Yep, you can grab your pin. Some of them you just can't even get your tweezers in there to get your pin out. This is good. Oh, look at this. This is snug. This fits nice. And there's my, oh, drop that. There's my little key. My key cover, my multi-tool keys. Very nice. So go over your key. And then you've got all these little handy things. Me, all the little gizmos, gadgets come in handy. Got a file on that side. Knickknacks. That's me, I'm into knickknacks. Look at this. Very nice. getting into printing. He's printing these out all himself. That is snug. That is beautifully snug. That is a very, very nice, beautiful colour. Probably looks blue on my screen because everything's looking blue. You can't really get the purple colour. Can you see the purple? Go like that, it's purple. Tilt it down, it's not. But it is, it's beautiful purple. Thank you very much, Dalp. These have arrived safely and they're exactly what I wanted. I'm going to have fun using those, setting up my keys. I'm getting into protecting my key bidding on my keys now that I know that you can decode a key from a photograph. So thanks very much, Dark Arts Lockpicking. Really pleased with the stuff. Happy Christmas, everyone. Happy New Year. Hope you're getting yourself some goodies. If you haven't, check out the goodies at Dark Arts Lockpicking. Thanks for watching. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.